right, good morning. Today we are going to be putting a fat tire kit on this Road Glide. It's going to consist of the fender, the wheel, and we call these the beer cans. They'll be replaced. So right now Tony's getting ready just to simply pull the front wheel, and then we'll pull the forks down and replace the beer cans. What the kit consists of is a new 18-inch wheel. Here's the beer cans. They're cut out a little bit. And back here we've got some fender spacers, new hardware, and a fender. So as we go through this, we'll give you an idea of what it takes to put a fat tire kit on the front of a Road Glide. After a lot of test fitting, trial and error, we've got it on, got it bolted together. We've got to put the brake calipers on and go over all the nuts and bolts and make sure everything's tight and that we didn't forget anything. But that's basically a fat tire kit installation. We still have to put a rear tire on it. He wants matching front and rear tires, starting from scratch. And that should be it. So hang in there. We'll show you the finished product here in just a few minutes. What you think?
Yep.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
All right, man. If it's Tony approved, it's Tony approved.
Yeah.
This bike turned out nice. We appreciate it. Thanks for choosing us, Rex. We appreciate it, man. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk to you on the next one.